Anyway, what we have here is two motors mounted at 90-degree angle. We have a 18 mega 168 chip, which is connected to the 4 light sensors. It detects the light coming from a particular direction, turns on the motor, and spins it in the correct direction for that light sensor in order for it to move in that direction. As you can see, it does take a moment to overcome momentum, but it does in fact work.
It is in fact an aerial photovore.
It's exactly right.
Oh, and it's attacking you. Ah! You beast, you. Take that!
Go get him! Go get him!
Decent amount of sensitivity.
Well,
oh, it's over-rotated.
I shall. I'm trying to defeat the sinking part of it.
That's a... Come here.
It's going. It's going.
Oh yeah, there
it goes. It's going. Woohoo! We have a slight too much ballast.
Buoyancy issue here.
Well, I think it's because it's cooling down. But as you can, all this dangly stuff down here, this is just the ballast. This isn't anything to do with the photovore. The robotics is actually just 2 chips. It's the 18 mega 168 and the what's the motor driver chip?
Oh, I don't remember the exact.
It's a motor driver chip.
Yeah, it's a dual H-bridge.
The whole thing is running off of a cell phone lithium-ion battery, running about 3.8 volts, and the rest is just balloon, helium, string, and a bit of wood. Oh, and there's a big pen in there holding it all together.
Perhaps one of the best uses for Bic pen invented since, well, Mr. Bic.
Was there a Mr. Bic?
I thought it was a Mr. Bic. Perhaps it was a Mrs. Bic.
You never know. I'm going to take a little more goop off. Yeah, another really good use for blue tack.
Alright.
I perhaps have taken off too much.
Hello. There might be a need for a long stick, perhaps? Wow, that is an astonishing small margin.
Well, that's clearly...
Or small tolerance. I mean, that's just...
I'll put half of it on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, right. Are you doing the light thing?
I am doing the light thing. I'm throwing the photons at it.
Oops.
Oh,
sorry.
I did that. My experiment.
I did that. I'm sorry. Well, it'll get there. You must have patience, Grasshopper.
Yes, that exasperation was truly serious. Come here, you.
Hey, I mean, why'd you put the light there?
I was going to say, it doesn't have a problem with that, but you might. Here it comes.
It's getting there. It works.
Oh, yeah.
The motors are... what are the motors from?
I thought you got them from a tape drive.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Then we borrowed the blades from some old CPU fans.
That's it. That's it.
And
motors
glued them on.
Yeah, it's basically all just attached with hot glue.
One of humankind's greatest inventions.
I love it. Couldn't build half our bots without it.
Indeed.
Well, we seem to have some sort of stability achieved on the buoyancy.
Enough of one for them. Sorry. Yeah, it does get you right in the eyes, doesn't it?
Yeah, those are bright too. Well, you should be able to stand back. It shouldn't. It's pretty sensitive. I have it going, kind of pulling 128 samples a second or something like that. It's coming to get you, Dave.
That's cool. Uh-oh. I think we've a thermal issue again.
Yes, but it's putting a little bit of weight on the sofa, which means it should go, oh look, I don't have to lift that weight, the sofa's carrying it for me.
Yeah, it has a very decent range of sensitivity.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, hey, it's gone into a spin. Let's see if it'll figure its way out of this one.
Well, it updates the fan direction every 3 seconds, I think. So, I think the spin is going to confuse the heck out of it.
Wait a minute now.
I'm just going to...
I was going to say, it seems to be righting itself at this point.
Just doing that. I love this. When did we start talking about doing this, Dave?
seemed like a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
But it did take a while to clear out all our other robot projects first.
True.
And then we had this little issue of getting Photovore to work on the 18 mega because it has the A to D converters.
Correct.
And that was easily rectified by, and here's a shameless plug, by plolu.com. They had some nice source code, which we pirated rather happily, and that worked on a tricycle bot, and we've just expanded the idea for 4 channels.
Correct.
To have Blimp Bot here. And the rest of it was waiting for supplies.
Yeah, the 3-foot balloons took the longest.
That was the longest delivery time for some reason or other. I guess it was just bad planning on our part, or
and the helium
or something.
The helium we got from a local craft store for $12. It was actually $24 what we got it on sale here.
And it took 1 tank of said helium, which, you know, is not bad. Yeah,
this is a whole tank of about yay size to fill the balloon sufficiently.
The balloon is a 3-foot diameter latex?
Latex. Just basic latex balloon.
Simple.
Without the logo.
Without the logo, yes.
With the logo was another $140 for some reason. Don't ask me why.
We can't really think of any logo that was requiring $140 of
well, we could digitally add the Make Magazine logo to it.
Oh, now there we go. That's a good idea. Here, go ahead and have fun. Cool. This is mostly Jeff's inception. I was just along for the ride and comedic relief.
Oh, and you do that beautifully.
Thank you. I tried.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh, here it is. Look at that, more responsive than the dog.
Well.
Than my dog. That is very cool.
My biggest concern was whether the fans would have a sufficient amount of thrust to move it.
Right. That is that was a bit of a chore.
But you know what it is? It's the. Did I get you? I'm sorry.
No, I'm about to be hit by a balloon. Heavens.
It's soft.
I don't know, man. Those blades, they'll cut.
But basically what it is, it's the same concept as, say, the ion drive. It's slow, steady force that over time has a significant impact. I think it's going back upstairs.
Is it done for the night?
You might be tired.
Come back here.
Come on, you can do it. Oh. There it goes. It's changed direction.
Yes, it is.
It's changed direction.
In addition to fighting inertia, it's fighting air currents. Here it comes.
Here it comes. It works. I'm so thrilled that this works.
That's pretty cool. Now all we need to do to add further drama to it is, paint a shark's mouth on it or something.
Yeah, and I think the dum-dum sound is a good idea.
Well, it certainly has enough ballast. We could add speakers if you really wanted to. Speakers and a noise component.
And blinking lights.
The blinking lights.
You gotta have blinking lights.
Absolutely. Every blimp has blinking lights.
Blifnar.
Blifnar?
Blifnar.
You'll have to update me on Blifnar.
Blifnar. Blinking light for no apparent reason.
Ah, that was
Okay. Cool. Blimp Bot.
Blimp Bot, red one.
Yeah.